Hey guys, it's Katie with Pete and Pedro, and today we're talking all things volume. We're gonna go through some tips and tricks, and I'm gonna show you a couple products that's gonna help you get that luscious look. When you're working with hair, the first thing you need is a solid base. You're never gonna be able to achieve those looks that you want or keep that volume if you don't have a good foundation. So I always recommend our volumizing shampoo. This shampoo, before you even start to style, is going to volumize and thicken your hair. It has biotin in it that is so good for the actual overall health of your hair. So as you use that, you will see everything improve as far as texture, shine, even thickness. And of course, you can't shampoo without a conditioner. I mean, you can, but we don't really recommend it. This is our Pete and Pedro conditioner. A conditioner is really gonna help grow the strength of your hair so you can do more with it and it can handle product better and, have a little bit more to it. Once you're out of the shower, you're gonna wanna go in with a pre-styler. So I would recommend using this pretty immediately. This is our Pete and Pedro sea salt spray. One of our best sellers. I love it. And you're gonna apply this on damp hair to once again just really build on that base level. This is a super natural, lightweight product. So once your hair air dries, it's not even really gonna feel like you've put anything in it, but you're definitely gonna be able to tell the difference. Once you're through with this, you're gonna go in with our texture powder. Now this is the method to the madness. This product is gonna change your life if you're trying to up your volume game. It's super, once again, lightweight, but very buildable and easy to work with. Just a couple puffs of this in your hair, mess it up, work it until you get that look that you're going for, and it's gonna stay there all day. Now that you've applied those products and it's starting to settle, there's a good chance that your hair is also starting to air dry, which is fine, it's a good thing. But we don't want it to be completely dry because then we miss the most important step, the blow dryer. Now I know what you're thinking, blow dryers are just for girls, but actually no, this is gonna be a game changer. This is going to literally change everything about the volume in your hair. But one more thing. If you're feeling like, it looks really good, but I don't want it to just look good, I want it to actually be good. I want my hair to not just look thick, I want it to actually get thicker. Gummies. No, not the ones you want, but the ones you need. These are biotin gummies. This is gonna help the overall health of your hair. It's gonna make it shinier, it's gonna make it thicker, it's gonna make it grow longer. This is gonna be your secret weapon forever. So now that we've gone through the bit on how to volumize your hair, I hope you guys took some tips and tricks away from this video. And if there's any products that you saw today that you wanted to try, head to our website, peteandpedro.com, and check us out. Mwah. Bye.